Hello.
Uptown Swing level 1.
6 count. Bryce and Val.
Wow.
We started from the very beginning, walking, fancy walking, fast style. Step, 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 step. Then we double time. Half timed it.
Oh, halftime did.
Yeah. Boom, 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 bam, boom, bam. Then our little pattern was quick, quick, slow, slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Then we did this little thing where we did scoots that way and boom, pa-doom, pa-doom, pa-doom. And then we did boom, pa-doom, 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 pa-doom.
I messed them up.
And then we put that in the pattern where we did instead of slows. 5, 6, 7, 8. Quick, quick, triple step, quick, quick, triple step, triple step. Practice that a lot. Then we connected with our partner first in open position. So we talked about how to do that. It was nice and comfortable. And then same pattern here. And quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, triple step, triple step. Yeah. And then we did the same thing in closed position here.
Do, 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 do.
Ba, ba. Triple step, triple step. Triple step, triple step. Then we explored how we can go from open position to closed, and this is where leaders had to make it happen. We gave it a couple of basics in the beginning. Triple step, one more. And then leaders, get ready and float in. And you ended up dancing in the closed position.
Here we are.
Then in closed position, we did this thing where we essentially executed 2 turns. First in this way, 2 basics. Pa, ba, da, pa. One more. And then on the third one, and go, and then switch places. Yeah, and then keep dancing in open position. Then we made it a little bit better where we explored this open, tuck, and go. And it went like this. We'll show it from this position. Just let's do the tuck with footwork. 5, 6, 7, 8. Open, tuck, and go. And that felt so much more comfortable.
Yes.
And that's what we did.
It is.